Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers, even though we've kind of been, gone for a while. But we finally thought it'd be a good time to finish up the heater since it's winter time. We want to go up and do some winter camping. Maybe we'll go up on Christmas. So, but I want to keep up on the videos finally since we're kind of stuck at home anyway. So here we are. So what we're doing actually is using a piece of scrap wood that we already had kind of laying around in the garage and installing the vents and the thermostat into that instead of drilling holes through the camper permanently. So here you'll see a nice scrap piece of wood that we had laying around in the garage. So this is what we're going to use to permanently install the heating ducts as well as the thermostat. So this is going to go right where the pass-through doors are for the galley. So in the Escapade, there's a galley in the back, and you can put optional doors in between the sleeping space and the galley. So that's what you'll see here. I already took the handle off, and we took it out completely so I can make a template out of it. So far what I've done is put the thermostat in, so I've drilled a hole straight through for the wiring. These are the vent covers that come with the Propex furnace, so you'll have to make a hole through this piece of wood here.
What size did you use?
I'm using a 4-inch hole saw to make these holes. The inside's a little bit smaller. There is this bigger ring on the outside as well, and then you can see I've marked it out here on the piece of wood right in the middle, and then I'm just again using this 4-inch hole saw to go through the wood. The reason why this is just sitting here is my battery has died, so we're waiting for that. And then what we're gonna, instead of permanently mounting this over where the old door went, is we're gonna use some command Velcro and put it on the edges underneath and then the top edges, and then Velcro it in. So if we ever wanted to put the old door back in, then all we have to do is pull the command strip Velcro off and screw that back in. Alright, so we finally got our Propex kind of permanently installed. We are waiting on another exhaust tube so we can circulate the air all inside the camper instead of the circulation coming from down below. So if you look up in here, here's our board that we made out of the kind of a template out of the old door, and you can see our thermostat comes in through there, and we just stapled the wire up along the corner. Our heat vent goes right in through the board there, and then our recirculation pipe will come through here, which is on order now, and it'll also come along and go down this corner, and it just goes down to where our Propex has been installed, which you've seen in a previous video. So you can see here on the inside we've sort of matched the wood of the doors, and again these are an add-on by Escapade if you want to pass through. So we were able to take the left side off and then use it as a template to make this board, and then we can install our Propex furnace. So this board is just on here with the command strip hanging strips. They're just Velcro. So there's Velcro on the wall as well as this board. So if we ever wanted to reinstall the door, we can just take the Velcro off, put the door back on, and it's like we, never had a heater before. So you can see it is a lot more convenient than just having the heat vents through the door. It's more of a semi-permanent situation, so we don't have to deal with opening it and having the cord hanging out and everything. So this is much more convenient. We can just reach it, at night and adjust our temperature, turn it on vent or heat, and it works out great. All right, so that's the permanent installation of the Propex heater. And again, we're gonna have another one of these pipes in here for the return air, but other than that, everything here is finished. If you guys have any questions or anything, leave them in the comments below. I've been reading all your guys' comments on the other videos, and I really appreciate it. So just hit that like button, hit subscribe, share with your friends. We'll see you on the next video.